Inside there is something gnawing with silken jaws and wax teeth. It holds me still in pureness like a circle whose middle is my cage. While you went away from me, I was ever tightening my circle. A spiral cut in glass, a flower's bloom dropping petals, a winnowed ball of yarn spilling color. I see the inside of your thigh brilliant in its smoothness, and I spiral ever closer to your edge. Paper cut touching, I burn, bleeding without pain. How could I spill so easily without knowing why? When I hear your voice, there is no quenching this ache to hold you. Like one who draws near and then forgets the story they came to tell. I circle you waiting for thread's tautness to draw us ever closer, though I know not how. The final luxury is the kiss of your boundless heart. The final beauty so pure all else limps behind blissfully in your wake. Drawing from your shadows the light of saplings lurking on the forest floor. If I could unbutton you, take your dress down, I would see a map of my universe, a phantom limb, grown from my body like wings sprouting from a chrysalis, reaches for you. It is the hand of clarity, desperate for your skin, so powerfully bidden as though a shimmering block of light, cut from black velvet, stood before me. And all I could do was reach out and touch it, not knowing why, but utterly unafraid.
Who will find me in the morning after the winds rush over the barren body that once held me like a tree leaf? Who will find me when mercy, tired of smiling, finally frowns in deep furrows of ancient skin? Who will find me? Will it be you? Perhaps it will be a cold morning with fresh prints of snow and children laughing as they lay down in the arms of angels. Perhaps it will be a warm evening when crickets play their music to the stillness of waiting stars. Perhaps it will be the light that draws me away, or some sweet surrender that captures me in its golden nets. Who will find me when I have left and cast my line in new waters trickling so near this ocean of sand? Listen for me when I'm gone. Listen for me in poems that were formed with lips mindful of you. You who will outlast me, who linger in the courage I could not find. You can see me in these words. They are the lasting image, soul's photograph.